Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the battery in easy way in your PSP street. For stop the operation, just open the back cover like mine and just tap the finger into the left side like this, see, and right finger on the up like this. Yeah, so I got lift the left side and lift the right side, and now gently we need to gently stick the back cover like this. Okay, and lift it up. As you see, we are separate the back cover, and here we have a laser, and here we have a cover of the battery. So lift up the sticker here, and here use the screwdriver to unscrew this little screw. Open the cover, and now lift up the battery up here, and here lift up these little things which is connect to the motherboard. Change on the new battery here and just switch it in to this small port in the motherboard. Stick it out. Now put the back cover of the battery in. Use your screwdriver to screw here. I don't have a screw because it has a little damage, so I will miss that. And now just put your back cover into your PSP, so it will be a little harder because you need to have some experience to do this, but just watch me and do the same move. Pick, and you have your back cover in. Now left side on the center and the right side on the center like this, and you have ready. Your back cover is working. You can close it, and that's it. You have your new battery in easy way. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!